Hi guys, welcome to Control Shift Eat and you are watching Cook with Shweta. So today we are going to make this creamy and cheesy chicken pasta in white sauce. So without further ado, let's get to the recipe. So for this recipe, I have boiled water in a large saucepan and to that I'm adding around 2 teaspoons of salt and whole wheat penne pasta around 3 cups. While the pasta is boiling, in a separate pan, I've taken around 1 tablespoon of olive oil, to which I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and around 1 cup of bite-sized chicken. So this is around 200 grams of chicken. Now we have to saute it initially so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And then we are going to add some oregano, around half teaspoon, black pepper, around half teaspoon, salt to taste as per your requirement, and now we are going to mix it together. So we have to cook this chicken for around 3 to 4 minutes. It should be done by then. With the help of the spatula you can try and break the chicken and you'll see that it's cooked. So this is what we're looking for. Once the chicken is cooked, we'll keep it aside and we are going to roast some veggies. So for this I'm taking 1 tablespoon of olive oil again. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. So the ingredients are the same, we want to keep the flavor constant. And I'm adding half a cup of sliced mushroom. The mushroom is cooked, it would take around 5 minutes. Then we'll add mixed bell peppers. So I'm taking half a cup of mixed peppers. Next we'll add some salt to taste, some black pepper powder, oregano around 1/4 teaspoon and some chili flakes around 1. Mix it well and keep it aside. We don't want to overcook the bell peppers. In the same pan, heat some olive oil around 1 tablespoon and around 3 tablespoons of butter, that is 20 gram. Once the butter is melted, add some garlic to it. So we are going to saute the garlic for around 30 seconds, not more, we don't have to burn it. Once the garlic is roasted, I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. We can also use maida at this stage. Now make sure you stir it continuously so that it doesn't burn. Once this is ready, add around half a teaspoon of oregano. And next we're going to add some milk. So we are going to add slowly and stir it continuously. I'm using around 1 cup of milk. Once the mixture is lump free and smooth, we are going to add around half a cup of fresh cream. So I'm using Amul cream here. If you don't have cream, you could use mayo instead to make this more creamy. But cream gives it a very rich texture. So if you have cream, go ahead with it. And it looks dream-like right now. I can just swirl it all day. Next, I'm going to add some black pepper. So you can add it according to your spice quotient. Salt to taste. Give it a good mix. I'm adding a little bit of pasta water to adjust the consistency. And the roasted vegetables that we had prepared earlier. Also the roasted chicken. So give it a quick mix. We don't have to cook it much because everything is pretty much cooked. Next we'll add around half a cup of grated cheese. This is the regular processed cheese and the boiled pasta. Now give everything a nice mix and note that everything is cooked, so we just have to toss everything together and we need to adjust the consistency and seasoning. That's it. So as I like my pasta to be a little bit runny on the sauce, so I'm adding a little bit more water, pasta water here. So there you go, your pasta is ready and you can grate some more cheese on that, so there's no limit to adding cheese to it. So hope you enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.